DV English Reading and Understanding, class 3rd to 6th. Class 3rd to 6th, first number. These are the general sentences, general points in English. We have to understand, read and understand. And also write in your copy and practice it out. It will improve your spoken English as well as writing English. Now, a long time ago. A long time ago. Long time, लंबा समय. A long time ago यानी बहुत पहले की बात है. Ago यानी पहले. A long time ago बहुत पहले की बात है. Whenever we will say बहुत पहले की बात है, then we will say a long time ago. A long time ago बहुत पहले की बात है. There was a था, वहां था. There was a वहां पर था. There was a cowherd family. Cowherd family, HERD, झुंड. मतलब जो गायों को पालते थे यानी चरवाहों का परिवार था. परिवार. A long time ago there was a cowherd family. चरवाहों का परिवार था. A long time ago there was a cowherd family. Family. Took the cows. Took the cows. Took second form है. Take, took, taken. Take, took, taken. Past tense की बात. Took the cows. गायों को ले जाते थे. Took the cow. Took the cows. गायों को ले जाते थे. Out, बाहर. घर से बाहर. Took the cows out for. Out for किस लिए? For यानी के लिए. Out for grazing. Took the cows out for grazing. Took the cows गायों को ले जाते थे. Out for grazing. Grazing चराने के लिए. Out for grazing. They used to return. They used to return. They used to return. Used to इसका प्रयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हम डेली हमारी हैबिट में कोई चीज हो. दे यूज्ड टू रिटर्न. वो लौटते थे. वे लौटते थे. इन द लेट इवनिंग यानी यूज्ड टू यानी लौटते थे, डेली लौटते थे. कब? इन द लेट इवनिंग, देर शाम को. दे यूज्ड टू रिटर्न इन द लेट इवनिंग. टुगेदर विथ ऑल सभी के साथ में. टुगेदर विथ ऑल. They used to return in the late evening together with all. How do we know? हमें कैसे पता चले? हमें कैसे पता चले? How do we know? हम कैसे जाने? That कि how do we know that we have not lost? हमने नहीं खोया है. We have not lost any cows. How do we know that? How do we know? हमें कैसे पता चले that we have not lost any cows? हमने एक भी काऊ को नहीं खोया है. Any cows. We have not lost. हमने नहीं खोया है. any cows. They did not know. They did not know how to count. They did not know. वे नहीं जानते थे. They did not know. No means जानना. They did not know. वे नहीं जानते थे. How to count. How to count. कैसे गिने. Count means गिनना. How to count. They did not know how to count. Okay. Read it. Write in your copy. Listen, read and understand. This will useful in your spoken English and writing English.